The death of former freedom fighter turned ZANU-PF critic Blessed Geza has exposed deep divisions within the ruling party, with some leaders calling for recognition of his liberation war credentials, while hardliners remain critical of his final political stance. Sarabida Mashkubda Pangwana Yukwachinzi, Geza hero status divides ZANU-PF. To subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina Muslim Ayam Danyara Chiti, ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mchangwa, quoted by the Daily News at the weekend, said Geza remained a respected patriot, whose contribution to the Zimbabwe liberation struggle could not be erased by what described as his later waywardness. According to Mchangwa, both the ZANU-PF and war veterans believe Geza was a comrade who lost his way toward the end of his life, a situation they attribute to his declining health. Both the party and war veteran feel that he is a comrade who fought it at the last mile. We blame this on the fact that Geza was no longer well. He was thus not thinking properly, which made him vulnerable to people who want to steal the history of the people of Zimbabwe, Mchangwa said. He added that the ruling party and war veterans were willing to reconcile with Geza in death and honor his role in the liberation struggle. However, ZANU-PF hardliners have taken a firm position, arguing that liberation war credentials should not be used to justify actions they believe undermine national unity. In a Facebook post, Cleopas Mugungunugwa said, Geza's legacy was a mixture of genuine sacrifice and troubling contradiction. In quotes, the liberation credentials ain't in the bush are sacred, but they are not lifetime license to undermine the peace they were meant to secure. Mugungunugwa wrote, Blessed Geza's passing closes a ledger of real sacrifice and sobering contradiction. He acknowledged Geza's role in both the second and third Chimrenga, but warned against what he described as the misuse of revolutionary status. Mugungunugwa argued that a true liberation legacy was defined by national unity rather than controversy. The true liberation legacy is measured not by the noise one makes at the end, but by the peace one leaves behind. It demands discipline, restraint, and an unyielding commitment to protect the nation above personal grievance, he said. He concluded by stressing the importance of safeguarding stability. Zimbabwe's peace is hard to won, fragile asset. It must be guarded, especially from those who once fought for it. Blessed Geza died in South Africa on Friday. Doma developments are reported in Zimbabwe. But comment section videos of Muro Aim and leave on each. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.